Hi viewers! In the world of cryptocurrencies, self-custody is a fundamental concept. It puts the power and responsibility of safeguarding your assets directly into your hands. In today's video, we are going to look into FTX Lessons, demystifying self-custody with MetaMask tutorial, the FTX fiasco, how it shaped the cryptocurrency industry. The FTX fiasco was a significant event in the cryptocurrency industry, with both FTX US and FTX.com being owned by Sam Bankman. FTX was a crypto exchange that operated as an ATM, where users could give money and keep their crypto with it. However, the problem lies in the fact that crypto exchanges are supposed to be an ATM, not a bank. FTX started having problems when they realized there were billions of dollars of users' funds sitting around in accounts and just gaining cobwebs. They tried to take a few billion of these funds and trade them for profit, but they didn't make a profit and lost it. This led to the loss of users' money. The morale of this story is that if you treated FTX as a bank, you lost your money. If you treated FTX as an ATM, you still had your crypto. However, many people used FTX like a bank and left their crypto on the exchange. The fall of FTX is not due to the fault of blockchain technology, as the blockchain worked exactly like it should have. The core benefit of blockchains and cryptocurrency technology was to avoid situations where a centralized entity has control over our money. The US government should not have complete control over the US dollar. Cryptocurrencies were created to be a currency that only you can own by providing specific information to confirm transactions. However, FTX happened because people didn't use crypto like it was created to be used. And since crypto is very new and quite unregulated, there are no protections to consumers. To prevent this from happening, individuals and businesses should take personal responsibility and remove their crypto from their FTX account as soon as possible. If you have crypto on any other exchange, it is highly encouraged that you remove it and store it for yourself using self-custody as soon as possible. Self-custody involves moving your crypto from a place like FTX or Coinbase or Binance to your own personal wallet. Cryptocurrencies have a unique property in that the power of that currency is held by whoever holds the certain information of that currency, which is a string of ones and zeros called a private key. In the case of FTX, the private key allowed them to move the funds associated with that private key. In the case of a MetaMask wallet, the only person who has the private key is you. It is important to never share your private key, and if you lose your private key, there is absolutely no way to get those funds back. In conclusion, the FTX fiasco highlights the importance of personal responsibility and ensuring that cryptocurrencies are held by those who hold the necessary information. By doing so, we can prevent future financial crises and ensure the safety and security of cryptocurrencies. The incredible impact of a single seed phrase. A single seed phrase is generated, which creates an unlimited number of private keys, allowing for up to 5,000 different wallets. The private key is associated with a public key, which is a shortened version of the public key. The address is what you want to share with other people when you want to receive funds, while the private key is what you want to share when you're importing one address into another account. When creating a wallet, it's important to remember that the seed phrase, private key, public key, and address format will work on many different chains, such as Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM chains, or Ethereum Avalanche Phantom Binding Smart Chain Polygon. However, other chains like Solana, Cardano, and Bitcoin are not EVM chains. To create a new seed phrase, download the MetaMask extension from Chrome and add it to your web browser. Once done, the page will pop up automatically, and you'll need to learn some information about MetaMask.io. To create a new seed phrase, click Create a Wallet and enter a password that doesn't relate to the chain, but to your specific computer. Use a simple password and click Create Next. You can watch a MetaMask tutorial to learn more about the process and create a new seed phrase. The seed phrase recovery page displays all 12 private words, which are the seed phrases. Write these down on paper to ensure you don't steal the seed phrase. In this tutorial, the seed phrase is public, so you should not use it for your own wallet. MetaMask checks if you have the right seed phrase by typing them in the order they were written down. If you type the wrong word, you risk losing all of your funds if your account is lost. MetaMask helps by making sure you have the correct words by typing them in. After clicking Confirm, MetaMask will tell you that you've set up a new wallet. The wallet page is accessible through a Chrome extension, and you can access it by clicking on the puzzle piece and selecting the pin icon. Clicking on the MetaMask icon will show you your account 1, and you can copy and paste the seed phrase to your clipboard. In conclusion, creating a seed phrase, creating a wallet, and using MetaMask are essential steps in maintaining secure cryptocurrency transactions. It's crucial to use reputable websites and tools to ensure the security and privacy of your wallet. The visual impact of transferring coins. As you can see, the video also demonstrates how to transfer coins and tokens from a centralized exchange like Coinbase to a self-custodial wallet like MetaMask. You need to first install MetaMask by clicking on the Account Details button and selecting Account 1. They then copy and paste their public address, which starts with a 0x, to see their wallet address. This is the address they can share with others when they want to receive funds. To view their private key in MetaMask, they click on the 3 dots and go to Account Details. They then click on Export Private Key and enter their password. This will allow them to move only one account without importing all other accounts. If you want to move all accounts, you move the seed phrase, which creates the private keys for each account. MetaMask is a popular choice due to its ease of use and friendly user interface. To send money from Coinbase to MetaMask, users must first select their MetaMask icon and click on the account they want to send money to. They must note certain characters, such as 612 and 99 CB, and paste them into the address. The transaction will be initiated and processed by the blockchain within 10 minutes. If a transaction is pending, users can check the status of the transaction by going to Wallet in Ethereum and checking the Pending Transactions section. If the transaction is confirmed, users can view their wallet page using a blockchain explorer. The most recent transaction was 60 days ago from Blockfolio, which was technically a FTX. After refreshing the page, users can see that the transaction has been successfully processed. If the transaction was sent with a smart contract, they can see that the ETH has already been received into their account. Therefore, as you can see, the video demonstrates how to transfer funds from Coinbase to a self-custodial wallet like MetaMask. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a comment in the comment section below.